What's up guys, me Zoo Panda, and come to a game called Deadbolt now. I'm gonna check this out check this game out, and I'm using a different recording setup, so yeah. Thanks guys, a game called Deadbolt, a new game. It's actually, it's not actual full, it's not like the full game yet, but you know. But I done some things, I guess. Only done the first level. Only done the tutorial too. So yeah. So I'm using like the Windows capture thingy. Let's do this. Okay. Now I only done one level, so probably I can shoot through the door. Stupid. Okay. Now this is a very skilled game, so only for pros. If you're not pros, sorry. No, sorry. You still here, huh? I knew you guys were gonna be pros. All of us are pros. Are you really? Hey you! Godswag! Toon toon toon! Godswag! I need a knife. Knife to meet you! Try to throw it. I did throw it, but not the way I really. Ooh, that was nice. Nice as rice. Ooh, headshot. I love doing headshots. They're like the best. Hey you! I want to. Hey you, got swag. Boom. I don't care. Oh, that's so close to you. How did you even see that? Okay. There's a weapon here. So. Hey, yo. Want it like to massacre your head. Ooh. Shoot it in. Fuck. And I see nothing. That wasn't a swearing word. Come on, man. Boom. And boom. Yeah. Boom. Okay. 3 shots. Just good. I love doing the headshots because it just explodes their heads. Hey yo, I'm Blue Skull. And I'm gonna. Why is your face white? Let me fix that. Here we go. Oh, the piece of body part just went down there. Okay, pick up this thing. Just in case. Oh no. I closed the door, you fuck. Okay, so. Basically, those are zombies, which is really weird. Okay. Oh, come on. Oh! I shot the other guy instead. Oh, fucker. I'm gonna fuck you in the ass. How much? Oh, he didn't actually see me. Oh god. This gonna be nice. It's nice. I'm gonna fuck you in the ass. Oh no, oh, there's still more. Go through the door. I could. You suck. You sucky. You sucky, a big ducky. Ooh. Here. No. Oh god damn it! How did you shoot through the door? That is unfair. Fuck off. There's speedy guys there. But there's no speedy one. Okay. Got swag. Will puff. Yeah. Don't do that. Okay. Okay. And throw him.
Don't do this, okay?
You know what? Spear knives. Let's just get a knife, just in case. No. They might need it. Who knows? And that's a knife I'm gonna use to get you. Ah. So don't miss any ammo. Yes, you killed him. Found the drugs, baby. I found them. Oh, I have the shotgun now. Smoke weed, smoke cocaine, everything. I think that's like. Go. Oh no! I have to go all the way back to my car. Why? She can jump in this game. That'll be helpful. Isn't it? But you have to scroll so I can change it. Okay. Oh, that doesn't do anything. God damn it. I thought there was a better way to do this. You know, who knows? Okay, I'm back. Why can't I move? I can't move. You can. Oh boy, it's always great when you lose all your stuff. Oh wow. Sure, that was fun. Yeah. Shit. Okay. Well, anyways, guys, I think I'm just gonna leave Deadbolt for now. It's gonna come out as a fully fledged game, and it was a little bit funny. It's gonna have like some humor in it, I believe, because that's what the game is missing. It really is. Because guys, if you enjoyed this episode or you even liked it, please leave that like button. That'll be greatly appreciated. And I'll see you dudes in the next video. Goodbye. Sorry I don't have my intro, because I'm using a different recording thing, so it's gonna be a little bit jumbly bumpy. Anyways guys, hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next video. Yeah, let's do it proper. Goodbye. So I don't have the intro thing. Sorry about that.